This is a tropical dry forest, but under the tree canopy, something makes this particular wild area extra special, as it's become a gateway to freedom for a range of incredible species. I'm deep in the jungle visiting a site dedicated to wildlife rehabilitation and release in Costa Rica. Here, volunteers help to restore the balance of nature, one release at a time. Wildlife here faces serious threats from deforestation, urban growth and the illegal pet trade, making the work at this release site vital. Animals in need of rescue first arrive at the Costa Rica Wildlife Sanctuary. There, animals are nurtured and prepared for life back in the wild. And then once ready, they're brought here to the forests of the Nicoya Peninsula, where they're given a second chance. As a volunteer, you'll be a part of this final and imperative chapter. To ensure that they stand the best chance in the forest, you'll help them to become less reliant on human support and rediscover their independence. Your biggest role here is observation. Birds are tagged upon release, so identifying and counting rehabilitated birds and their untagged offspring helps assess the area's biodiversity. By visiting the feeding sites and recording your observations, you can help gather a picture of relationships, health, and population trends. Monkey identification starts at the feeding station, where entire troops gather. And now that their food is topped up, it's time to stand back and observe. You'll follow them through the reserve, tracking their movements and logging any key behaviours or concerns. With binoculars in hand, you might witness the cries of the Costa Rican howler monkey or the acrobatics of spider monkeys overhead. This is the perfect chance to check how they're adapting to their new location. To prepare rehabilitated macaws and parrots for release, volunteers first head out to forage for specific leaves and flowers that stimulate the senses and help wildlife recognise what they can survive on in this environment. These natural materials are then hidden within enrichment puzzles, crafted in a way that challenges the birds and encourages natural behaviour. Once complete, everything is delivered to the pre-release enclosures, where the birds live with minimal human contact. By engaging with these bush trials, they develop essential foraging and problem-solving skills, growing more self-sufficient and ready for life in the wild. Next up is camera trap monitoring. Strategically placed across the reserve, they capture data day and night. So volunteers hike through the forest to check and reset traps, and then review the footage back at base to capture a glimpse into the hidden life of the forest. Expect to cross rivers, trek through jungle paths, and be immersed in nature amongst a huge range of wildlife, big and small. But this project isn't just about work, it's an education. Volunteers collaborate with staff and master's students, learning field techniques and attending regular talks that deepen your understanding of the ecosystem. Beyond the forest, the Nicoya Peninsula has plenty to offer. With 2 days off each week, you can take it easy by the local pool, stroll along the coast, or relax on the beaches as seabirds pass by and sunsets put on a show. This is more than just a volunteering experience. This is a journey into real nature, where every moment is a step towards restoring the wild. So get involved now with the great projects.